physical theory states that once upon a time a Big Bang happened, and the universe began from that single point. Then expanded and stretched to grow as large as it is that we see right now, and it is still stretching. And it's been around for a very long time. A super long time, which is around 13.8 billion years, and we are still trying to understand what happened and how it happened.
Welcome to Einsteinium theoretical physics. Let's understand around us. In this first video, we will see what is physics.
We live in Earth. Our Earth is around 4.5 billion years old.
Earth lives in our solar system with our very own star, the Sun, which holds our Earth with gravity, along with 7 other planets: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Our solar system lives in the solar interstellar neighborhood, or we call it Central Orion, or the Sol sector, a sector of Orion arm of our galaxy. There are nearly 120,000 stars in our solar interstellar neighborhood. Our solar interstellar neighborhood lives in our Milky Way galaxy. It is visible as a hazy band of white light with our naked eye arching the night sky. Our Milky Way galaxy lives in a local galactic group with a collection of galaxies with a span of 10 million light-years of space. The Andromeda Galaxy is the closest large spiral galaxy to ours. There are satellite galaxies such as large and small Magellanic Clouds, visible from Earth's southern hemisphere. The large spiral triangulum galaxy, also known as Messier 33, is another neighbor of our local group of galaxies. Our local group lives in along with at least 100 other galaxy groups located within our Virgo supercluster. It is also called as our local supercluster, which is spanning about 110 million light-years. Its equatorial plane is almost perpendicular to our galactic plane. In 2014, astronomers found the Virgo supercluster itself might be part of greater supercluster, consisting of perhaps 100,000 galaxies stretched out over some 520 million light-years. They called this supercluster Laniakea, which is Hawaiian for immeasurable heaven. Our local supercluster lives in our universe, which we call it as observable universe, everything we could possibly see right now, assuming we could detect all types of radiations around us. As of now, we have estimated the age of our observable universe is around 13.8 billion years and size spans across 94 billion light-years. But it could be larger than this because the universe is expanding at the rate of about 67.5 kilometers per second per megaparsec. We have a multiverse theory for far beyond this observable universe. The multiverse is the hypothetical set of all universes that scientists use to describe the idea that beyond the observable universe, other universes may exist as well. One of the theories is the inflationary cosmology multiverse explained by physicists of NASA and ESA as little patches of multiple universes like decelerating universe, coasting universe, and our current universe is the accelerating universe. Some estimates says that our Milky Way galaxy has about 200 billion stars, and our current estimate of number of galaxies in the observable universe is around 2 trillion galaxies. So on an average, there are 100 sextillion stars, that is 4 followed by 23 zeros of stars are marching in the night sky. We had, and having a lot of masterminds, they dictated how to see our world through mathematics and physics. This channel takes you to see the world through the eyes of our physicists, to understand around us. What is physics? Understanding how the universe behaves. Physics is. Behavior of the universe can be defined using the terms that we invented. Let us understand. What is light? What is sound? What is heat? What is wave? What is time? What is energy? What is atom? What is power? What is matter? What is mass? What is gravity? What is weight? What is speed? What is momentum? What is motion? What is velocity? What is force? What is friction? Understanding all these is called physics. A process of testing is called an experiment, a procedure carried out under controlled conditions in order to discover an unknown effect or law, to test or establish a hypothesis, or to illustrate a known law. Understanding all these with experiments is called experimental physics. Understanding all these through mathematical formulas and abstractions with physical objects is called theoretical physics. Physics is the study of everything in physical existence, from the entire universe to the smallest subatomic particles. We are not talking about big to small or macro to micro. It's unimaginably huge to unimaginably tiny. Must be at least 23 trillion light years in diameter to roughly 1.6 times to 10 to the power minus 35 meters. So far, we know all started from Big Bang. We say we may have multiverse, dark matter, dark energy, our universe, the star-forming nebulas, galaxy clusters, quasars and pulsars, black holes, wormholes, our galaxy, our solar system, stars, planets, moons, matter, which all we see are made of. Study and understanding of nature at this macroscopic level is called classical physics. Molecules, atoms, nucleus, nucleon, quark fields, quarks, neutrinos, photons, Higgs field, string theory, the smallest that we ever discovered, the Planck size, God's particle. Study and understanding of nature at this microscopic level is called quantum physics. What is the singularity of our knowledge? We hear Big Bang as our starting point. Our life started from a single cell. To understand that, we need to understand biology. To understand biology, we need to understand chemistry, because most of the happenings inside a cell are chemical reactions. To understand chemistry, we need to understand physics, because all chemical reactions is made of energy and mass. To understand physics, we need to understand mathematics, because to understand a phenomenon, we need to understand the theory behind it. We need to create laws and equations. If we understand mathematics, we will understand our universe. So we created astronomy, because our physical reality is a mathematical structure. Everything in our world is purely mathematical, proposed in mathematical universe hypothesis, which is a speculative theory of everything by Max Erik Tegmark, a Swedish-American physicist. Physics stands in the center for our knowledge. Everything started from the singularity. Still, we are expanding our knowledge, and it is expanding exponentially. There may be places in the universe that our physics does not apply. We are still studying.
Let our gravity attract you. Stay with us. Thank you.